A comment was given on an antiquated video that I uploaded 9 years ago on the Magnecord 1024 reel-to-reel machine. A shout out to the YouTuber aijb. I will be showing the connections on the back of the machine. This is the perfect time to show the back of this machine's connections, because this happens to be a particular time in my life when things are changing. And this machine is being disconnected. The stereo has been decommissioned from its current configuration. This stereo and another one has been decommissioned from its current configuration. And if you look over here, you'll notice my workbench, that it was so much of a common staple of my later videos, lies almost barren from what it used to be. One might ask, what the heck is going on? Okay, well, let's get to the machine. So here's the back of the Magnecord. Let's see if I can turn it around more. And if you're wondering why all this nonsense is going on, the decommissioning of vintage stereos, the taking down of things on the workbench, well, if you haven't guessed it already, I am moving. But without further ado, let's get to this Magnecord machine and where things are connected. So, here's power coming into the amplifier module. And I just have it plugged into auxiliary power, but if you want, you can plug it into a regular power outlet. Then there's this 3J3 interconnection, which is cable number 2 from the amplifier. So cable 2 goes to the 3J3 interconnection. Cable number 3 from the amplifier module goes to the 3J2 record and erase head connection. Then there's channel 2 and channel 1 reproduce head connections, which go to these inputs here. The reproduce amplifier, reproduce head inputs. This one being the left channel, then the right channel over here. And then this is pretty no-brainer. Channel 2 outputs, you know, A and B both go to the same thing. Doesn't matter which one you plug it into. I believe. I just plug it into A, left channel and right channel, and then the line level inputs right here. So if it's hooked up this way, it should work. If it doesn't work, there's some other problem going on. But this is how the machine is hooked up. One thing I had to do was one of the trimmer pots on one of these modules, resistive track, had gone bad. I don't remember which one it was. I don't think it was this one. And then also, if you need to know the order of these modules, start out with the bias oscillator, then a reproduce amplifier, then another reproduce amplifier, then the record amplifier, then the last record amplifier. And it might not be a bad idea to also reseat the modules, just to make sure their connection is renewed. And if things still aren't working, it wouldn't be a bad idea to replace the electrolytics, which won't be too hard on this thing, since you can just pull all the modules out and easily get to the caps. You can see I've replaced all these electrolytics already. Even the transistors are socketed, so even they can be replaced with ease. They really made this machine very easy to service, which is I wish more machines were done this way. Just pull a module out. It's kind of like a computer. Well, things continue to be disconnected in the name of moving to Massachusetts. Quite an adventure. I'll leave these on here. Maybe it will be. Well, I hope you enjoyed this flash lit video. I have my thumb over the flash right now. Shot on the, let's give it a moment, 17th of October 2016.